What's new in Google Ads in 2023? Now, I'm going to cover 10 different points, but what I think is going to be new in Google Ads in 2023, which are things that you need to be looking out for and making use of within your Google Ads campaigns. Now, before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads expert, and what I've got for you is a Google Ads ebook. There'll be a link somewhere below this video. Feel free to click on it, download the ebook. It'll help you to create awesome, profitable Google Ads campaigns right from day one. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now, Google already uses a lot of machine learning within its algorithm. So when you're bidding for a certain keyword, Google uses machine learning to work out, hey, is this ad going to be relevant for my user based on their previous search history, and should I be promoting this ad, or if I do, how much should I really be bidding on this keyword in order to generate a profitable lead or sale. Now in 2023, this is going to surely step up. So Google is going to provide a lot more features in terms of machine learning and artificial intelligence to leverage this technology to help you build more profitable Google Ads campaigns. Personalization and targeting. So consumers are becoming very web savvy, so they're becoming very demanding of what they want to see and the user experience that they want to experience when conducting a search on Google or any other platform for that matter. So what Google is going to be doing now is going to be scaling up the personalization of ads with the use of machine learning. So by combining machine learning and looking at what ads or headlines or descriptions you have served Google within your responsive search ads or the new ad format, Google is going to then be able to have the ability to tailor these ads so they're more personalized and targeted towards your end users. Now, an example of this which is already happening, is dynamic remarketing, which is already happening, so that when you go to a website, then you can see personalization of the ads of the products that you've seen on that website on a different platform. Now, this is surely going to scale up in 2023, so users are being given much more personalized ads in order to help them with their conversions to drive you more leads and more sales. Voice search and voice assistant. Now, with the emerging technologies which are still in their infancy, such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, these are growing technologies because users are using their mobile device in order to conduct a search as opposed to typing what they want to search for. So advertisers are now going to have to spend longer in creating ads so that they're more conversational based, depending on what user may be searching for, and also making use of structured data so that there is a focus on search or on voice search as opposed to just typing in, people just typing in what they want to and taking use of this technology through their mobile device. So voice search and voice assistance is going to become huge in 2023, and Google advertisers need to spend a lot of time in molding their ads towards these technologies. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Now, again, these are technologies which are emerging really fast. In 2023, they're going to be even huge. Now, advertisers are now going to be able to very soon incorporate these technologies within their ads so that when users are conducting searches or through their mobile device or through their virtual reality headsets, they're going to be able to provide their end users, the consumers, with a much more immersive experience using AR and VR through Google Ads. Improved measurement and attribution. Now in 2023, this is going to scale up. Already, Google has got a lot of sophisticated attribution models and ways you can measure the consumer journey, but advertisers are getting more demanding they want to understand the complete user journey that a consumer took before they made a purchase or a sale or a lead. So now there's going to be a lot more focus on multi-touch attribution, cross-device tracking, and so on, to help provide advertisers a much better experience to understand the user journey that someone took in order to reach their website or make a sale or generate a lead or whatever it is that they've set as a conversion within their Google Ads campaigns. Enhanced mobile experience. Now, more and more people are using mobile. Now, Google's already got AMP pages, accelerated mobile pages. So this is likely to step up to provide users with a much more better experience on mobile devices, and even personalization of ads which are shown on mobile versus ads which are shown on desktop, in order to give users the best user experience possible and to help drive ultimately more conversions. Social media integration. Now, with the increasing popularity of social media platforms, Google is likely to work more closely with these platforms so they can show more targeted ads based on the behavior and the interest that users are conducting on social media, to drive them the best ads, more relevant ads as possible. Because again, it's trying to develop this pool of information that it has in terms of what's likely to convert and who are not likely to convert based on users' interests and behavior, what websites they've seen in the past. So social media integration within Google Ads is going to be huge in 2023. Enhanced optimization and automation. Now, we've already got this in place, but this is going to become bigger in 2023 because because Google already understands what users are like, what advertisers want to achieve. So it's gonna make the job of an advertiser a lot more easier, because you're going to be able to give Google a lot more simple KPIs that you want to achieve, and Google is going to be able to go away and help you to achieve your objectives based on the ad formats, the bidding strategies, and the machine learning it's got. So it's going to really scale it up to help you drive more conversions and make the jobs of advertisers a lot more simpler. Video advertising. Now, video advertising is already huge. Google is likely to scale this up even more, especially when more and more users are turning to videos in order to educate themselves on whatever they wish to learn. So it's really important that you start paying attention to how you can best advertise on platforms, video platforms such as YouTube, which is already owned by Google, because you've got huge advantages of skippable ads, in-stream video ads, true view ads, and so on. So this is going to likely to scale up in 2023. New ad formats and placements. Now, Google is constantly changing this. Now, we started off from text-based ads, and then we had expanded text ads, and now we've got responsive search ads. This is only likely to scale up because, again, if you follow the history of what Google is trying to do, it's trying to bring it's trying to give your consumers the best user experience possible by showing them the most relevant ad. And that's not just text-based ads, but it's also video-based ads, image ads, to give you users a wealth of experience. Now, with the emerging technologies such as performance max campaigns, this is likely to scale up even more, and it is important to pay attention to performance max campaigns, because this is where Google then determines the best way of serving ads to your potential users who are likely to convert, whether it be text, video, images, or so on. So pay attention to the new ad formats that Google are likely to be rolling out in 2023. So that's it, guys. This is just part one. Keep in touch with me. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button for part two, whereby I'll be telling you more about more technologies that Google are likely to release in 2023. And don't forget to click the link below and download my Google Ads ebook, which will help you to build profitable Google Ads campaigns right from day one. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.